So one of the cool things about this truck, one of the cool features, is this anti-theft feature that I added to the truck. Now, this truck will not start. Okay, you see this little Phillips screw right here? This truck will not start unless you put this magnet on it like this. Now the truck will start. Now they do this a lot for, you know, convertible lowriders and convertible like hot rods and stuff that get stolen quite a bit, or easy to steal. So I'm gonna demonstrate it right now. Take the magnet off. I'm gonna come over here and try to start my truck. It will not start. Alright. I'll put the magnet back on it now. Back on the screw here. Like so. Come back over here and we'll start. They sell the magnets. You can get tons of these magnets on Amazon or pretty much any hardware store and get a big bag of them. I leave a little baggie of them here inside the truck in case I lose it. But yeah, truck hasn't been stolen since. Pretty cool.